Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this new lecture we discuss about bond order, BO, bond order, and bond order. From bond order we discuss about the definition. Second point is calculation, and third point is applications, where we apply the bond order concept. So bond orders is what? Bond order is the number of covalent bond according to Lewis. According to Lewis, the bond order is number of covalent bond present between both atoms. It is the number of covalent bond present between both atoms that are bonded covalently. It is called bond order. As for example, H2, number of covalent bond and bond order. In case of H2 molecule, number of covalent bond is 1, so the bond order is also 1 here. And for O2 molecule, the number of covalent bond is 2, and the bond order is also 2 for O2 molecule. Now for N2 molecule, bond order is 3, and number of covalent bond between two nitrogen is also 3. The bond order is defining us that the number of covalent bonds that are present between the two atoms. Now, how can we calculate the bond order? Bond order is calculated by the formula Nb minus Na by 2. As we see, the bond order is calculated by the formula that Nb minus Na by 2. It is the number of bonding electron minus number of antibonding electron by 2. It is the formula for calculating bond order. As for example, for H2 molecule, the number of Nb, here H2 molecule contains sigma 1s 2. So the number of Nb is 2, number of antibonding is 0 by 2. So therefore the bond order for H2 molecule is 1. Bond order for H2 molecule is 1 because it is 2 minus 0 by 2. Therefore the bond order is 1. If we want to calculate for the bond order of H2 molecule, He2 molecule, the bond order is Nb minus Na by 2. He2 molecule having electronic configuration of sigma 1s2 and sigma star 1s2. So therefore the bond order is 2 minus 2, because 2 electron in bonding, this is bonding and this is anti-bonding. Anti-bonding orbital contains 2 electrons, so total is 0. So 0 is the bond order of He2 molecule. Similarly, we can calculate the bond order of any molecule using the number of electrons that are present in the bonded bonded atomic orbital, bonding atomic orbital and anti-bonding atomic orbital minus bonding atomic orbital minus the electrons that are present anti-bonding atomic orbital divided by 2, then we can calculate what is bond order. Bond order calculation is performed in this way. Next important point is the applications. What are the applications of bond order? Bond order first is applied to predict the stability of molecule. First you can apply bond order concept to predict the stability of molecule. If bond order is positive, then molecule is stable. If bond order is positive, molecule is stable. Bond order is negative or 0, molecule is unstable. For a molecule, bond order is negative or 0, the molecule is unstable. And greater bond order means more stable. Greater bond order of a molecule is more stable. As for example, O2 having VO of 2 and N2 having VO of 3. This one means N2 is more stable than O2 because the bond order in O2 is 2 and bond order of N2 is 3. So bond order have direct relation with the stability. With increase in bond order, stability increases. Bond energy. Bond energy, bond order and bond energy are directly proportional. O2 having bond order of 2 and N2 having bond order of 3, this has means N2 has higher bond energy. Next important point is BO and bond length. Bond length and the bond order are inversely proportional. Here BO is 3 and for O2 BO is 2. So therefore bond length in N2 is lesser than bond length in O2. Bond length order. Bond length is dependent on the bond order. Bond order is higher means bond length is shorter. And using the bond order concepts, you can understand the number of covalent bonds. Number of covalent bonds, as for example N2 BO3 means 3 covalent bonds are present in N2 molecule. So in this way you can use bond order concepts to predict the length of the bond, number of bonds present between two atoms. So this is about the bond order. I am discussing this topic, and if you have any doubt from the bond order, then you can write in the comment section. And I think you understand this topic well, and for getting this type of more videos, subscribe my channel, and if you find that this video is useful for you, then give a like. Thank you.